Switchblades.tv presents Available at AssistedKnife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents
The Basilisk by Jerry Hom. What is a basilisk? The basilisk is a classical mythology creature which is described as a serpent, lizard, or dragon. It's a legendary reptile reputed to be the king of all serpents, and it's said to have had the power to cause death with a single glance. The custom knife maker Jerry Hom named this knife accurately because one glance at this balisong and it's death to Benchmade. The knife was designed and engineered by Jerry Hom. The blade and components are custom made by Robbie Dalton at Dalton Cutlery. The blade style is a recurve Bowie. It's 154 cm heat treated, bead blasted, hollow ground. The thickness is 0.173. The bushing is 0.004. The handles are G10 3D laminate green, black, or blue and black, depending on the model. 301 SS hard stainless liners with bronze phosphorus washers. The overall weight is 4.8 ounces. It uses a bushing style system. A standard balisong works by tightening down on the blade a certain amount and guessing the actual play and then applying Loctite to the screws. If you tighten down too much, you'll lock the blade out. A bushing system works by essentially having a spacer that is slightly thicker than the blade, allowing you to tighten down on the spacer as much as you want instead of guessing the axial play. It is predetermined by the difference in thickness of the blade and bushing. This means the blade can rotate freely around the stationary bushings while minimizing play. And why 3D G10? G10 is a fiber reinforced plastic, which means glass fibers and epoxy compressed and layered much like plywood. G10 is relatively lightweight and has very high strength and stiffness. The Basilisk uses dual colored G10, which means the colors alternate for every layer. The Basilisk also has a new 3D G10 with thicker laminate layers to emphasize the contrast and effect. The G10 on the Basilisk is bead blasted for a nice grippy texture, but not overly aggressive that'll tear up your pockets. Each 3D Basilisk handle is first cut by CNC for consistency and then radia used for rounded handles by hand. This means that every single handle has the same shape and hold locations, but the actual appearance for each and every handle is completely different. The Basilisk. One glance at this and it's death to all the competition.
Available at AssistedKnife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com